My name is Doug Fike. I've been a licensed Texas real estate broker for 48 years. As required, you maintain your continuing education. I discovered Lynn and Wayne Morgan almost 35 years ago, and realized that they have the kind of interest in individuals and in the business as a life, as they proclaim, and have come to them when I needed to have help, needed to have continuing education, and more so to continue to have the updated and most current and most professional educational materials and environment. I would encourage everyone who has an interest in having real estate as a life to use Real Estate Business School of Austin here for their continuing education.